Hi, Alyssa. I was going over your graphic organizer, and now I'm looking at your rough draft here, and I'm going to give you some feedback on it. One, your structure is off. Look at this. It should be right aligned or left aligned, and in Google Docs, it'll be up there where you'll see alignment, and you should click left alignment because your margins should all be straight going all the way down. What you've done here is you've put it centered so it does a different way. So this is very distracting for a reader. I would try not to start off a paragraph or an introduction with for a conjunction. It's not horrible, but see if you can change that around some ways. The other thing I noticed is that you had given a timeline here saying something about it had happened in the middle of the night or 10 minutes later. You'd given two different timelines in it. Again, here, right there where you've got the quotation mark and the period, there should be a space because your quote is actually going in the wrong direction. And I'm not sure why you have a quotation mark with "at least the locals can create a new history." That seems unnecessary because the quotation marks symbolizes someone is speaking. Okay? You're missing some punctuation, so hopefully, comma, the scientists can find a way to prolong the lives of these trees that still remain today. And you hear say from Southern Africa. Take out the word from and start with Southern Africa is the warmest place on Earth, or is one of the warmest places on Earth, which makes this the likely cause of the loss of trees. Although, if they've been in South Africa since the start of time, why is the heat now starting to get to them? South Africa has always been hot. So I'm not sure why that's there. There is no need for you to bold your font here. I'm not quite sure why that's happening. And see how you have a quote here? So I know you've taken a quote from someone. There's the end quote. So you don't need to bold your quotes. And I'm not sure if these two shouldn't be joined. Anyway, so go back and review that, fix your alignment, go over and with the grammar check in Grammarly, and try to remember that when you start a quote, there has to be a space between the period, space, and then the quotation marks. Let me know what you think. Bye.